asuntoskeittiö Rantapuisto.
Today is the 19th of June 2021 years. Meripuistotie Sjöalleen 1 stick is A here in Lauttasaari, Helsinki towards Finland. And I know we have been here, but I'm not sure which staircase it was. So probably we'll have to get into the two other ones here just in case. Best takes reverse to avoid cars. I'm quite sure I haven't been in the red staircase. There's the blue and there's the red and there's the green one.
Yeah.
Staircase B is the red one.
Yeah.
I'm sure I haven't been there, so we'll try that one later. This was built in 1939. Mostly 1999. So number is 286. It's going to be expected in the next year. The Swedish finish here on the old metal plate. Over here.
Yeah.
Beautiful style.
Yeah.
I love these 1930s functionalist style doors. There's the round like that on the handle. I've seen this in Täällä also.
Yeah.
This similar style. In some of the buildings from the late 1930s.
Yeah.
I think it's a bit slow.
Yeah.
So maybe 100 is enough because we don't have time.
Yeah. Spektiittaakin pitää meitä espautus on of descriptors.
Not that good maintenance.
Yeah. That's